Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go for a stroll around Fremantle Markets here in the city of Fremantle. And I just thought I'd start a little bit down the road because there's a bit of a magic show on outside the entrance to Fremantle Market that I want to walk into. And I don't know whether it'll be copyright striked or not, so I said I'll start now. I'll tell you what we're doing. So yeah, we're basically going to go for a stroll around Fremantle Markets and yeah, just show you what's going on in there. It's pretty busy. There's plenty of people around. It's a lovely autumn day here in Perth. It's about 26 degrees. So yeah, let's go.
The medium one and the long one, and you can hear absolutely no applause. No! I don't want your pity, I want a real round of applause. So I said to you, a car is going over that building. That's what's going to happen. Young man, I need you to stand here. You guys take one step back, thank you. Take the card, sir, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God! Young man,
yeah, so there's no music, but yeah, these guys perform here.
Your body. Go climb the tree. You'll be really
every day outside these markets.
Get in the tree.
They get lots of
into the tree.
people.
He's gone.
But
He's
yeah,
gone. I just made a child disappear. That's the best magic. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as promised. Is there any parents for that?
We get beautiful art in there. Fremantle candy. Oh, beautiful. Look at all the coffee. Every single coffee you can think of. Wow. I'm not a coffee drinker, guys, but that coffee actually smells delicious. It really, there's something about the smell of coffee. It's so good. All their spices. Lots and lots and lots of them. All their different salts. Garlic seasoning.
You cannot wander around.
Another shop of art. Lovely stuff.
We should look for that bird.
Iron-on patches and fridge magnets. Pretty cool. A beautiful little bar set up there. Whiskey tasting.
The color is less. This way, this way. Anna, Elena.
I wonder what that little door was there. See if it has office wrote above it. Wow. The barbecue.
Wicked new.
Sorry, man.
No, you're good.
Sorry for the flashing lights, guys. Now these guys whipping up some burgers in there, look. How cool is that? This place is packed. Well, you have fresh fruits. Excuse me. This place is crazy. I don't think I've ever been here, and it's packed as it is. Saffron bar. Some nice looking food there. Pastries. Flashing lights again, sorry guys. Absolutely crazy.
I got one as well. Oh, don't fucking mind. A what?
Somewhere where you can
Sorry. Got all your football shirts, rugby shirts, all sorts of sports shirts there. All Australian.
Oh, is it?
Well, that's the market itself. Sorry, I sort of ran around it pretty quickly.
Out of the bag. I know. I say magic words. Abracadabra.
Well, guys, Fremantle Market, probably on the busiest day I have ever seen it in my life. Absolutely incredible. I don't know what it was like for you guys watching that video, but for me walking around there, it was very uncomfortable. People are on top of everybody. Yeah, and there was no direction really. But yeah, other than that, like, it's a great place. There's plenty of stuff there, as you can see. I do have other videos of Fremantle Market, so if you want to check them out, they're a lot less busier than that one there, but that was just packed. Anyway, guys, yeah, until next time. So on, lad.